Meet Jonathan and his lovely family. Jonathan has been living and working in the U.S. for over 16 years. He's built a good life for himself, his wife, and his 2 daughters. One day, while Jonathan was driving home after having dinner with his family, he was pulled over by a police officer. As Jonathan could not provide the officer with a valid driver's license, he was arrested by the officer and taken into custody. But instead of being released, Jonathan was taken to an immigration detention center to be processed for deportation. Jonathan desperately needed a competent, compassionate, and aggressive immigration attorney to find a solution to keep him and his loved ones together in the U.S. So he turned to attorney Karen Winston in Jacksonville, Florida. Karen has successfully represented clients with deportation defense, asylum, deferred action, visas, and many more types of immigration cases. She's passionate about keeping families together and fought tirelessly to successfully defend Jonathan's rights. For Karen, it's not about the money. It's about seeking justice, and she has the track record to prove it. So don't be separated from your loved ones. If you have an immigration issue or need a trustworthy, experienced, and caring immigration lawyer to fight your case, call Karen today and schedule a consultation. Karen Winston, keeping families together.